Phonics friends, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to be learning a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the sound. Now the sound is a digraph because it's made up of two letters. The letters M and B together make a sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the sound before, and that's because the letter M by itself also makes a sound. But today we're going to be learning this sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Excellent. Now we're going to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the sound. I found a lamb. Can you hear the sound at the end of lamb? Lamb. Lamb. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a comb. Can you hear the sound at the end of comb? Comb. Comb. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found my thumb. Can you hear the sound at the end of thumb? Thumb. Thumb. Excellent. So thumb, comb and lamb all use the sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write the letter M and the letter B. For our letter M, we start at the top, all the way down, back up, round and down, back up, round and down. For our letter B, we start at the top, we go all the way down, back up and round. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a wiggle and a shake. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. You use your magic finger and you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Magic fingers and start at the top, all the way down, back up, round and down, back up, round and down. Our letter B, start at the top, all the way down, back up and round. Well done. Let's do it again. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, round and down, back up, round and down. Our B, start at the top, all the way down, back up and round. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is lamb. My turn first. Lamb. Your turn. Lamb. My turn again. Lamb. Your turn. Lamb. Excellent. Our next word today is thumb. My turn first. Thumb. Your turn. Thumb. My turn again. Thumb. Your turn. Thumb. Well done. And our last word for today is crumb. My turn first. Crumb. Your turn. crumb. My turn again. K, crumb. Your turn. Crumb. Excellent. Well done on all your hard work today. You should be really proud. I can't wait to see you again soon.